Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install WPS Office on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to download, simply open your browser and search for WPS Office. WPS Office is the best free alternative to Microsoft Office. Now to download, simply open the link from wps.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll put the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download WPS Office. Inside WPS Office, you will find 4 products. One is our writer, another one is presentation, spreadsheet and PDF. You can say this as a Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. So you will get this product for free on WPS Office. Now to download, simply click on free download option. And here you can see it is downloading an installer file. Now to install WPS Office, simply open this installer file. Here we have the WPS setup window. Let me minimize the browser and from the drop down menu select your language and here simply accept the license agreement from WPS Office. And here simply click on this drop down menu. Here you will find different options. If you want to make WPS Office as a default PDF reader, then you can check this box. And here we have an option to select WPS Office as a default program for document. Simply check this box and here we have the location where WPS Office is going to install. If you have a reason to change this location, you can simply click on this browse button and here you can browse the location where you want to install WPS Office. For now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on install now button. Here you can see it is downloading WPS Office tool. It will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process. After it gets downloaded, it will automatically install WPS Office on your Windows 11 computer. Here you can see that our installation has been successfully completed and here simply click on get started to use WPS Office. Here we have the product page. Here we have 2 WPS Office products. One is WPS Standard, which is free, and another one is WPS Office Premium. On the free version, you will only get cloud storage, and if you want some extra features, then you can go with the premium version. In the premium version, you will find cloud storage, and you will find an option to edit PDF, and you will also find an option to convert PDF to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint presentation. And you will also find picture to text option and file repair option. So I suggest you to go with the free version, that is WPS Office Standard version. For that, you have to sign into WPS Office or you have to create WPS Office account. For that, simply click on sign in as a WPS Standard. And here we have a sign in option. You can sign into WPS Office using any of this option. Let me sign in with Google. Here you can see sign in successful. Let me minimize the browser. And here we have our WPS Office. So this is the free version of WPS Office. On free version, you will only find document option, spreadsheet option, presentation option and PDF option. And these features are for premium user. Now let me show you how you can create Word document. For that, simply click on document option and here you will find bunch of template for your Word document. You can also browse template using this category option. Let me select blank template and here you will find all the tools that are needed to create a Word document. Similarly, you can create PowerPoint presentation and Excel. To create Excel document, simply click on spreadsheet option and here you will find bunch of template. You can also browse through categories. Let me select blank template. Here you will find all the tools that are needed to create a Excel sheet. If you don't know how you can use WPS spreadsheet, then here we have a help option. Here you can search for your query. Or else you can also follow this guide to use spreadsheet on WPS Office. Similarly, you can create PowerPoint presentation. For that, simply click on presentation option. Similarly, here you will find PowerPoint presentation templates. You can also browse through categories. Let me select blank template. And here you will find all the tools to create your PowerPoint presentation. And if you don't know how you can use PowerPoint presentation, then you can browse through the help center. Here you will find a guide how you can use WPS Office presentation tools. So this way you can install WPS Office for free on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.